my lovely angels, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you what all I received in my Glamego box for the month of April 2018. So this is how the box looks like, and as you can see, there is an ice cream at the top, which I think is themed according to the summer. That is the month of April 2018. So let's open this box together. First we see that there is this card and it says something right here. It says hot summer, not for sassy me, cheeky me, freezy me. And there is this card at the top which shows the prices of all the products. So we are gonna see the prices after we see what are the products inside. The first thing which comes to my hand is all wrapped. So this is a wild turmeric anti-tan treatment and it's from a brand called as Tijori. I have heard very good reviews about this brand, but I have never tried their products earlier. So I'm very excited to try this one. So it's basically a clay face mask, and I really love using clay face masks because I have a very oily skin and it gets even more oily in the summers. So this is a perfect product for me. The next product which comes to my hand is this natural bath and body vital nourishment cream with grapefruit and vitamin C. It says your lighter, whiter, brighter fix. Okay, so I have used natural bath and body products earlier and they are quite good. I'm not really sure whether I'm going to try this or not because I don't like using things which have whiter written on them. The next product which comes out from the box is the Vedic Gold Facial Kit. I really like doing facials at home, and I have also made a video on how to do a gold facial at home using a facial kit. And if you haven't seen that video, I shall be linking it up right here in the I button as well as in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So they have 6 steps. Okay, that's a lot. Usually these facial kits have 4 steps, but this one has 6, which I think is a really good thing. I really like using gold facial kits and they make my skin look very glowy and healthy sort of. And usually the gold facials don't break me out, so fingers crossed. I'm quite excited to try this. Next product which comes to my hand is a makeup product. It's the NELF Aqualight Fairness Compact Powder with UV and SPF 18. Fairness Compact Powder. Okay, so this is how the compact looks like. I don't really like the way it looks. There is quite a bit of scratches right here and it doesn't look as new to me. I don't really like the packaging. It looks kind of flimsy. The way like those cheap makeup products, those look like, it looks sort of that, and I don't really like NELF products. I have recently made a review on the primer and the foundation and I really like them. Okay, so the last product is something very exciting, at least for me, because I just love lip balms, and this is the Flamingo Pink and Peonies Lip Moisturizer Stain. It's from a brand called as Island Kiss. Okay, so I think Ankita, Coralista Ankita, she uses this one. I think I have seen her talking about this brand's lip balms. And I really love lip balms. I'm like kind of addicted to lip balms, so I'm really happy to get this one. It also has an SPF 15. So those were all the products that I received in the box. I also like the way this box looks like. Since last month, Glamego has stepped up their game. They have started making very good boxes which you can use later on. These boxes do have magnetic closures, so you can keep your things inside them and use it later on, which I'm going to do. So now let's take a look at the card. It says summer skincare products with SPF and sun protection. Yeah, I can see that a lot of these products have an SPF. The My Island Kiss lip balm is worth rupees 4.99. Okay, that's expensive. The Tijori anti-tan pack is worth rupees 5.25. Oh my god, such a tiny tub of face masks for such a huge price point. Okay, so I really like the way that Glamego gives you such expensive products at such a cheaper price. The NELF USA Compact is for rupees 350. The Vedic Gold Facial is worth rupees 350. And this grapefruit and vitamin C cream is a summer treat Okay, so that's a surprise product and it's worth rupees 150. So the price of all the products is worth rupees 1874 and the Glamego box costs for rupees 399. If you make a longer subscription, you get some more discounts. I really like the products that I got this month. I'm quite excited to try a couple of these products, but at the same time, it saddens me quite a bit to see that some of these products claim to make you fairer or whiter. So that's all for this video. If you want me to make a review on any of these products, do let me know. I shall either make a video on YouTube or maybe I can review it on my Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. If you want to subscribe to the Glamego box, then I shall provide the link in the bottom description bar. If you like my video, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel. It is going to mean the whole world to me. Also click on the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. And follow me on my blog and Instagram for more such reviews. And I shall see you soon. Until then, bye! Finally. I think I should keep scissors with me when I do these sort of videos. Ow! Thank God my nail didn't break. Sound karo nahi. Screen double lagi arrange karo.
Arrange करेंगे.